got it opened up. He's coming back for another pass with tractor. And the tires on the cart say somewhere in there is a little wet.
You are now watching the 2023 season of Farming with Duffy Ag.
Welcome back to the channel. We are gonna go do some trucking. Appreciate you guys watching along. We got Robert. Big day. Big. Gonna have a good day?
Big day, good day.
See how it goes. Well, we're gonna have a good day. We've done pretty much everything. We did skip right here because when you're buried in the mud there, it ain't so much fun. Right around the farm, we got everything cleaned up. We're gonna have a little bit of a haul. That is why we are in this truck. Well, Robert's gonna get in a different truck. He's not just gonna ride with me all day. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Tell stories and stuff.
These trucks are comfortable.
Rolling in. Here we are rolling up. We got 4 trucks running and the cart. So should be a good day. We're hoping. We're down here on gravel now, which should make our lives a little easier. Superliner is back and it's loaded. Has a little bit of a hood issue. Missing a light there if you guys saw that. They ran into some things. Chopper might have made contact, which that's part of chopping. But it's got new brakes, new springs. All around it's good to go. Trunnions. And we're hammering it out. It is so nice to have trucks in the field again. Like all the trucks. One more on this road, and then I think we're going back into wetter conditions, so I'm not really sure. I'm honestly have zero idea. I'm just following the chopper, same as all of us pretty much. Isaiah's got an idea. Probably should have Ronnie actually open up with the Superliner because he's got floaters. That way if he does find a wet spot, it's not as bad. And where are we going, Isaiah? I think we go into here or something. This driveway here. Opening up. Isaiah, how's it going today? Just peachy? That's good. We're on the phone with Isaiah, the chopper operator. Crew chief of the operation, actually. We're gonna get some fields opened up. Yeah. Do we got lunch figured out, or what are we doing for lunch? Like 11 maybe? I do have lunch in a bag, but it's always nice when a warm lunch shows up. Switching. We need a 10-row head so we can switch on the go. Got Ben Brady in there, getting right after it. Love it. Love to see it. Oh, the mesh is messing you. We're into the next field, which just happens to be next door. He's getting topped off. We got Steve in the 6R250. I don't know what's going on here, but that don't look so good. Maybe just checking things. Just made myself a BLT. What a good day. switch on the go. Keep the chopper going. We had a meeting of the minds here a minute ago, talking our plan, strategy, life lessons, and well, so we're all in the field together, so we're hanging out. What are you doing?
Ordering food.
Ordering lunch. I did just have a BLT, dude. It was pretty good. I should have brought you one.
That would have been real nice.
But instead, you're gonna get us all pizza.
Well, no.
Dude, you can't even you can't even throw it. I'm gonna throw a rock at you. Dive.
Supposed to die.
There he goes. On the move. Steve in tow. We're hoping we got one more that I can get into, and then I think I'm running a dump cart because it's gonna get real wet. So Steve and that deer will be able to make it, but maybe the trucks with the floaters, maybe not. We're gonna see. We'll get up here and see what's going on. Everybody's here. So Robert's actually headed back to the bunk, but they're gonna open this field up to the right. We'll probably go, well, we got an order. But Superliner's over there. We're all ready to rock and roll. You ready to rock and roll, buddy? They got it opened up. He's coming back for another pass with tractor. And the tires on the cart say somewhere in there is a little wet. Hopefully it's the backside. They did split it. Good load for them. They'll take some more off with the floaty tires on the Superliner. Chopping off the left. California chops off the left a lot, and the rest of the world chops off the left a lot, mostly. But the rest of the US is on the right side. I just got the word, going to grab the wagon. Well, the old girl got 6 hours of running in today. We're gonna jump in the 220. Yeah, you ready for some AC? Well, climate control. Really don't need AC today. The wind is, yeah, keeping things cooler. Probably 70 degrees out. But, yeah. Gonna let Steve go around me because he's got a lot more speed, and I can't pull this wagon that fast. So let him get back to the field. If you pull these things too fast, they sway. This tractor will do 24, but yeah, when that starts swaying, it's real sketchy. And yeah, we checked over the wheel bearings yesterday and everything else like that. These things aren't really meant for the abuse that they're taking, but it's necessary evil at the moment. We will see what comes down the road to help us keep moving. Yeah, it's definitely back to dump carting. He is buried in there. Oh, it ain't gonna be good. He's chugging, but I can't even unload anywhere. These are my tracks just trying to get out. So we are in the, well, it's a seasonal limited use highway road. And we are dumping on the go. You coming? I am crooked, which I do not like. I'm sitting sideways, so I might make a mess of this. But either way. Oh, we're making a traffic jam. spots in the field that are actually dry enough for trucks, but the roadway in is absolutely a no-go. Steve gonna get out? You think he's gonna get out? He's moving. Not very fast. There he goes. He's gonna be good. Alrighty. Whew. Nerve-wracking. Seeing if they can come across this ditch anywhere here. Oh, that ain't too bad. Come right in here, not dump on the road. Gets a little gnarly down here, but up here is pretty good. I think that's our better bet. Swinger, bring her in. Holy smokes. Steve, you made all sorts of a mess going down the road there. I think that's just going to be the nature of it. So the upper half of that field's actually pretty dry. The lower half is a swamp. And I figure if he can focus on the lower half with the other tractor, and we can keep the trucks rolling in the upper half and at least get that done. Because we're down to, well, Superliner with the floaters ran really well through it, so we're down to one other truck because Robert broke the seat. Come on, Rob. And that's nothing big. They ran for a new, it's the bottom of the seat, the suspension. So I said, Isaiah, I'm gonna park this. We're gonna sneak into the upper one with the street tire trucks and see if we can get it done. And that way, handling it twice just makes a long day. Especially if I'm waiting on a truck all the time. So we'll see what comes of it. Okay, we are loaded in the Mac. There is literally one pass left. We got Bob and Karen, Isaiah's parents, out here supervising us. And AC is now cranking. From here on out, I believe everything is going to be dump cart or that tractor. The Superliner was stuck down in the bottom. There's some wet spots, but they can hit probably 1 truckload, maybe 1.5 truckloads left. And we're going to go back to carting. Put a dump wagon load into the Superliner. Ronnie's really giving it. That thing is fun to run. And he'll top them off with what we got left up in the dry ground. Probably got two passes or so down in the bottom. Very muddy. Very wet. It's not muddy till we get into it, but and then I think we're jumping to the next one, and then we're done. So that will be, it'll be a good feeling when we get the second full job of the season done here with AA. So we've been right after it today. It's been a pretty good day. As we sit and wait for the other tractor to finish opening up, we might as well go get some wise words from the chopper operator. Unless he's on a phone call. Let's see. Big conference call guy in there. Here comes the wagon. Corn is wet here. You can see where the sprayer marks are where he went in and out. But yeah, there's standing water out back, so we got a load on us. Tried to keep the windows clean. How are you doing, bud? We got a drier spot in this field that the trucks are going to be able to chop off of, and we'll work, me and Steve with the other wagon, we'll work on getting us in the wet spots. So this outside row was very wet. You can see some of our tire tracks as we go up to here. Yes, the windows are dirty already, but I just dumped a load into the Superliner. He's about full. Robert's behind him. He was behind him, and yeah, a little wet there. It's a good feeling. We got this field opened up, and ever since then I've only had 2 dump wagon loads, and the trucks have been able to run. But we're starting at the high point, working down, so eventually they're going to start getting stuck more. But yeah, things are going good. This is the last field of this job here. And a little shake and big. Yeah, I can't tow the wagon too fast, especially not when it's loaded. Bringing in the last load. Good feeling. Really, really good feeling. Well, the guys are finishing up on the bunk. Dumped the last load there. Rolling along. I think pack tractor or push tractor's all done. Quite the pile. We'll have to see it when it's all finished up. But I'm gonna take my stuff out of the dump wagon cart, throw it in the Mac, get some fuel, and tomorrow's another day. Being Sunday, it's gonna be a party day. It's not gonna be a party day, but I appreciate you guys watching along. Pretty smooth day, honestly. Have a good one.